Hey everyone, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. I want to share with you something that I do in my way with my workout. When I do my workout, I do the same routine for around 3 4 weeks, and then what I do is I change it up. I try something new because if once you do something new, your muscle will encounter new movements, new resistance. It's a new challenge because if you keep doing the same thing, the body it adapts quickly, and it's one of the good features of the body. We adapt to changes, right? We adapt to the environment. But when you're doing a workout, you don't want it to adapt. So by changing your program, you will get the increase in strength and increase in muscle that you want to achieve. So that's one thing that I do regularly. And this is the answer to a question that I get from people. They tell me, why am I not improving? Why am I not increasing, getting stronger? Why am I not getting better endurance? Why am I not getting any bigger? Or why am I not getting any slimmer? Because they keep doing the same thing. So my suggestion there is you got to change things up a little bit. You got to change it up so that your body is not, it's not plateauing. You're not adjusting to it, and it's not getting used to it already. And plus, changing things up will make you not get bored with doing the same thing over and over again. But aside from the workout, this is something that is applicable to life. This is something that I actually teach my son. I remembered one of the books that we used to read, before he goes to bed. It's a Dr. Seuss book, Green Eggs and Ham. For some of you, you might remember it from when you were little, or you might be reading it to your kids. The moral lesson of the story there is you have to try something new. You won't know if you like it unless you try it. So that's something I teach him, and that's something that I like to share with everyone. I want you to try something new in life, not only workout, but in life in general, because you never know. You try something new. Yes, you might be scared, you might be uncomfortable, but this might be something that you will grow to love. This is something that will make you happy. This might be something that will make you healthier, or this might be something that will make you money or be more successful. So that's one thing that I would want everyone to remember, keep in mind is, try something new. Like they say, you won't know if you like it unless you try it. So let's try something new and then see how it goes. I would love to hear your comments. You can leave your feedback below. You can like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram, and also you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see other videos and tips in those social media. Bye.